wonders, a spark to ignite. Endless hours of practice, perfecting every part. Focused on the journey, with an unyielding heart. Through every challenge, every high and low, with fire in his soul, he continues to grow. Chasing dreams with every beating rhyme, crafting brilliance with the sands of time. Facing trials head on, setbacks in the way, rising even stronger day after day, finding solutions with vision and grace, unwavering in pursuit in this endless race. Through every challenge, every high and low, with fire in his soul, he continues to grow. Chasing dreams with every beating rhyme, crafting brilliance with the sands of time. Precision in his work, dedication in his heart, each note, each stroke, a masterful art. Focused like a laser, relentless and true, knowing his efforts will bring something new. Whoa. Through every challenge, every high and low, with fire in his soul, he continues to grow. Chasing dreams with every beating rhyme, crafting brilliance with the sands of time. Crafting brilliance, now one more time. Now the final touches, the vision comes to life, every detail perfect amidst the strife. Blood, sweat, and tears are poured into this, at the journey's end, a moment of bliss. Through every challenge, every high and low, with fire in his soul, he continues to grow. Oh yes, he grows. Chasing dreams with every beat of rhyme, crafting brilliance with the sands of time. With satisfaction deep within and fulfillment bright, he sees the creation finally inside. Through trials and triumphs, he made his mark. His journey through shadows, leaving the dark. His path now shining like a silver lining.
Dreams and fears collide. I saw a glimmer, vivid and clear, a memory I couldn't hide. Through restless nights and endless days, I searched for a path to make it stay. Rising up like a phoenix from the flame, I chase the vision, it's my eternal claim. With every step, ghosts of yesterday, they haunt my mind. In every corner, in every time, I pondered ways to bring it life, to turn the dream to what's in sight. With every fall, I rose again, seeking truth through joy and pain. Rising up like a phoenix from the flame, I chase the vision, it's my eternal climb. With every step, I'll break the chain. With like a phoenix, yes, rising up like a phoenix from the flame. I chase the vision, it's my eternal claim. With every step, I'll break the chain. With every breath, I'll rise to fame. With every breath, I'll rise to fame. Yes, with every single breath, I'll rise to fame.
A simple slip, it happens so fast. Just a second's distraction and the moment passed. It turned so grim, the blood flowed free. A bandage needed for all to see. Work came to a halt, I couldn't proceed. At the end of the detail, my finger did bleed. You always have to watch out, it can happen so fast. A moment's lapse and it's happened at last. Eyes open, stay aware, in a blink it's there. Be careful, take care, to prevent mistakes, beware. 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 A scalpel slice, so deep and clear. A moment of carelessness and pain was near. The blood flowed quick, the pain was grand. A bandage wrapped tight, it fell from my hand. Hands trembling, work had to stop. In my moment of despair, I found strength through to prod. You always have to watch out, it can happen so fast. A moment's lapse and it's happened at last. Eyes open, stay aware, in a blink it's there. Be careful, take care, to prevent mistakes, beware. Beware. Beware, beware. Beware. The wound heals, yet the scar remains. A mark of remembrance through all the pains. A mishap so quick, I stood in dismay. Found strength within to face the day. Through trials and pain, I found my way. With courage and hope, I won't sway. You always have to watch out, it can happen so fast. A moment's lapse and it's happened at last. Eyes open, stay aware, in a blink it's there. Be careful, take care, to prevent mistakes,